Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So last 2 days I didn't post any video. That is because I got sick again. In fact, my whole family is sick. First my father got sick, then my mother got sick, then I got sick, then my wife got sick, and my daughter also got sick, right? So this weather is really killing me. It's like pouring, like it's raining, like maybe daily 6 or 7 hours. When it is raining, we don't know. One morning it is sunshine, then afternoon it is rainfall. So it's a very hot climate. Okay. Anyway, let us see what is happening in the market. Before that, let me tell something about Sensible. This Sensible guys are giving around 60% off. So if you opt for a 12-month subscription, which will cost you around 8,499, you will get around 4 months free. And if you go for 6 months plan, which will cost you around 4,999, you will get 2 months free, right? So if you want, you can go for Sensible subscription, for which the link is on the description below. I'm sure many people will think whether you want to go for Opstra or Sensible. Of course, Opstra is having some different things, like you can backtest in Opstra, but Sensible you cannot backtest. So that is the downward in that is the disadvantage of this Sensible and advantage of Opstra, right? Anyway, if you are not into backtesting and if you don't want to backtest, of course you can go for Opstra. So if you compare both Opstra and Sensible is cheaper than Opstra, right? So looking at the markets, I'm sure you must be thinking, or if you are following me, I'm sure you know I have shorted the market. Still I have my short position 800 call option and above. I have quite huge quantity. Still now I am holding the position. I haven't done anything to the position. That's because last 2 or 3 days we were at around 17,400. Yesterday we were low was around 17,400. Today high was around maybe 17,800 plus, right? Now what happened is, that I have been holding this call option for around 1 week, more than 1 week. By the time it has gone down and it came up, and today India VIX dropped by more than 5.99%, I think, right? More than 5% it has dropped, right? If I'm right, it has dropped more than, India VIX has dropped by 5.47%. So what happened is, of course, it is a problem if the market reverts, or if it goes, if tomorrow if it gaps up, it is going to be a problem. There is no denial. But because of this volatile moves going up and down here and there, what happened is, theta decays happened, and I have sold this VIX when sold these options when India VIX was around 20. Now it's at around 18.30. Still I am holding my position. My positions will start giving trouble to me if Nifty moves around 17,900, 950 or even 18,000 levels. Then we'll have to face the problem. I'm still I'm not saying I'm super bearish. Still I can see why we have to understand why I'm taking this trade is because these FII buggers, we cannot rely on these FII buggers. One day they are shorting the market, one day they are going long in the market. All kind of things, all kind of trap, all kind of bluff, all kind of drama they are doing. Now yesterday, if you see, or if you can remember, I think last 2 or 3 days they have shorted the market. Today alone, if I am right, they have bought for around 2,913 crores. I really don't know what they are up to. They are short in 80%, more than I think 70 or 75% short in index futures. Still, why they are buying, I really don't know what is happening. We really don't know. India VIX, if you see the futures premium, just to give you an example, if you see the futures premium, it's like just fluctuating between premium and discount. Yesterday afternoon I saw it was trading at discount. Today morning also I saw it was trading at discount. Once Europe opened, it started trading at premium. So any metrics you use, whether it is open interest or whether it is discount or premium or any other metrics or whatever metrics you use to predict the market condition, predict the market direction, it is confusing. I'm not saying it is confusing all the time. Like, it's been confusing at least for maybe 10 or 15 trading session. And in fact, if you see this chart, you can understand how choppy the market is or how volatile the market is. Where is that thing? Yeah, this one. See here, from 23rd of August, it has been moving up and down here and there, almost 10 trading session, right? Low is around 17,129. That is last Monday, not last Monday. Sorry. 29th August is last Monday. Till today, it has moved from 17,000, low is around 17,100 and high is around 17,800. And Bank Nifty, you don't have to say. In fact, today's move was because of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty moved like anything, it moved like hell. I really don't know what was the thing. In fact, today morning, Bank Nifty, it was purely Bank Nifty which took Nifty and Bank Nifty to new highs. In fact, Bank Nifty it has crossed 40,000. That's a great news, but still I'm having short position. Let us see how things pan out. Maybe if tomorrow there is any gap up, I will have to suffer a lot, or we will have to manage something. And when our markets were closed, this is one more thing which is confusing us. See, what and all is confusing. When our markets are open, US futures are trading and they will confuse us. When our market is closed, SGX is active and US market is active, they will confuse us. So lot of confusion in when it comes to Indian market. And let me tell you, it is easy to trade the US market, but it is very, very hard to trade the Indian market. The volatility, so on, so forth, so many things we are taking into consideration, making it very, very choppy and very hard to trade this Indian market. And today alone, if you see Nifty, Nifty was really terrible. First half it was on the downside, second half it was on the higher side. And see here how much volatility, 17,735, it gapped up from 17,620, it went all the way to 17,700, low was around 17,600, then came to 17,790, around 400 point swing. But Bank Nifty was firmly in the green. See, from open to close, it was traveling in one direction, and that's why you can see in Twitter and other social media that many people, intraday traders, have made significant money in Bank Nifty, right? So they are, when it comes to intraday trading, they prefer Bank Nifty because it makes violent move. And when it comes to intraday trading, we have also started doing intraday. See, I'm a positional trader. I don't trade aggressive intraday trades. I don't take aggressive intraday trades. But for last maybe 20 days, 20 trading session, we have started deploying algo trading. We have significantly invested in algo trading, and it is still now it is not in any drawdown. In fact, it is in positive only. So we are just trying it with very, very low quantity. Once we got confidence, we are testing this algo in different kind of market scenario. If the market makes two-way, three-way move, today's market move, it made two-way, three-way move. Still, this our quant had performed significantly well, and it was in profit. So we are testing all kinds of market situations: one-way move, trending move, gap ups, gap downs, everything. I'm talking about intraday, right? So once that is, we get confidence that this quant can handle all the market scenario, we will increase our quantity, and we will allocate maybe 40 or even 50% of our cash reserve to cash in this thing, quant trading, right? So let us see how things pan out. Otherwise, let's see tomorrow what happened. Today is nothing, expiry, it's gone. Tomorrow is going to be a very, very interesting day. Let us see how things pan out. I'm sure you must have also have some short positions in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Actually, this open interest is showing people are writing, had written significant 18,000 plus calls, 18,000, 18,100, 200, 300, 400, 500 call options. Let us see what happens tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day for me. Let us see how things pan out. I hope I have summarized everything, and I still believe that I am kind of bearish. I wouldn't say I'm fully bearish, I'm kind of bearish. Let it cross above 18,000 and sustain above 18,000. Let us see how things pan out, right? Thank you for watching. Once it reaches, crosses 18,000 and sustains above 18,000, we will turn bullish, right? Let's see how things pan out. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.